In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect to a Microsoft Teams meeting on your laptop. Microsoft Teams is a robust platform used by businesses and educational institutions worldwide to facilitate seamless communication. Connecting to a Teams meeting via your laptop is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step to ensure you have a successful connection every time. First things first, you need to find the Teams meeting link, which is usually shared with you through an email or a calendar invitation. So head over to your inbox or your calendar and search for the invitation that contains the link to the meeting. Once you've located the invitation, you'll see a button or hyperlink that says Join Microsoft Teams Meeting. Go ahead and click on that link. After clicking the link, a new window or tab should open in your internet browser. Here, you'll be prompted to decide how you want to join the meeting. If you already have the Microsoft Teams app installed on your laptop, you'll have the option to open the meeting in the app by selecting Open Microsoft Teams app. This is generally recommended for the best user experience, as the app often provides more features and a smoother connection. However, if you don't have Teams installed, don't worry. You can still join right from your browser. Look for the option that says Continue on this browser. Choosing this option allows you to join the meeting without having to download anything, which is a great option if you're in a bit of a rush or using a shared device. Most modern browsers like Chrome, Edge, and Firefox are supported, but it's usually best to keep your browser updated to avoid any compatibility issues. Once you select your preferred method of joining, you'll reach a pre-meeting setup screen. This is where you'll personalize your settings before joining the call. Here, enter your name if prompted. Make sure your camera and microphone settings are configured to your liking. You might see toggles or settings to enable or disable your video and microphone, so adjust those according to your preference or based on etiquette for the meeting. After you've set your name and ensured that your camera and mic settings are just right, look for the button that says Join Now and click it. Congratulations! You're now connected to your Microsoft Teams meeting and ready to collaborate with your team. Keep in mind, if you're new to using Teams, it might be a good idea to join a meeting a few minutes early. This will give you time to sort out any technical issues that might arise and become familiar with the platform's interface. With these instructions, you should be able to connect to any Microsoft Teams meeting on your laptop with ease. Thanks for tuning in and enjoy your meeting.